We are SmartSwap, an AI-driven EVM to protect user liquidity. We love AMMs because it's decentralized and allows anyone to be a market maker. However, the unfortunate reality is that currently many liquidity providers leave money consistently through permanent loss and lose money through LVR to arbitrageurs. LVR is an attempt to quantify the instantaneous loss that the liquidity providers face when arbitrageurs trade through liquidity pools. We can address this issue through dynamic fees in volatile markets. When LVR is higher, we can quote higher spreads and fees, which allows us to disincentivize arbitrageurs for making money by arbitraging against our OP liquidity. We also compensate liquidity providers for the elevated risk that they take. In calm markets, we actually want to quote low risk present fees to incentivize user to come trade on our AMM. So we can make money on their order flow instead of going elsewhere with lower present fees. That's why we created SmartSwap. We are decentralized AMM that allows anyone to be a liquidity provider, and we also have ML-driven dynamic and efficient quotes that allows us to quote spreads and fees like market makers efficiently to protect our assets and liquidity, vendors, elevated risk, and volatility. To create SmartSwap's on-chain machine learning model, we first grab L2 order book data from Kraken. Then we build a linear regression model that's lasso regularized using SQL, and then we convert it to Onyx runtime format, and finally upload it to IPFS for inference on-chain on the smart blockchain. That is our base Sepolia testnet. So now let's dive into the structural design of SmartSwap. The right-hand side is the pool manager, where the liquidity providers and so this is the pool manager where the liquidity providers and traders interact. Since to the innovative Uniswap V4 technology, there are trading fees that LB collect can be dynamically decided by the pool contract by calling the gateway method. The pool contract decides its fees by receiving predictive vulnerability from pool calls on the smartphone. The mobility oracle can leverage the power of native machine learning inference. It can gather data from graph quick nodes as well as other sources and make prediction natively by the model saved on IPFS just with a simple constant OP code. Question communication protocols like CCIP and acceleration, we can further support this web on any EVM compatible drives, not only Base, but any other EVM compatible chains like Polygon. Now, let's see our demo. So this is how our SmartSwap looks like. Let's see a trade. Now let's do it at 0.01 smartly. And let's have it. It seems like a really simple interface, but underlying, there's a lot going on. First of all, the swapping fee of the LP receiving is actually determined by who you click pull. You can actually see there's a LP that you about us, and it shows. So this is the pools, what the recent volatility was, and what was the recent fee, and how much was the percentage increase in our recent transaction fee. Our body oracle and the list of the times. It automatically updates the fees in every 10 seconds. Lastly, we can run a historical simulation of our SmartSwap dynamic fees versus static fees. So this is how SmartSwap works, and this is a traditional AMM. We can model arbitrage behavior for this historical simulation. In this example, you can see when the market crashes and when volatility increases. Here, when the market crashes and when volatility increases, the on-chain machine learning model posts high spread. With minimal LVR, this allows leads to liquidity being protected. Less explodable LVR, and you can see from this red line here that we actually see a gradual increase in the difference of balance of liquidity providers between SmartSwap and the constant product market. As we are in AI-powered DEX, we also have trading bots for our ecosystem. Let me just sign in. We are using Octo for account abstraction, in which you need to know there are trading bots specific to different algorithms, different algorithmic trades that you need to take, or there are trading bots that follow different Twitter trends. You can also set a trading bot to point towards your Twitter so that whenever you comment about a token or whenever you promote a token, it detects that and makes a list of tokens that are associated with you and invest somewhat around those tokens. Let's see one of these trading bots. Here we can apply if I want a Twitter integration bot. I have one Twitter integration. I've made some Twitter posts about Bitcoin and Ethereum, I guess. I want to enable notifications so whenever tokens price drops, sends a notification. See, I have 100 USDT. So let's say I have 10 USDT to create one list token. Let's see what the token uses. So it firstly goes to my Twitter. It extracts the tokens that I have been posting about. Then it basically suggests me what trade should I take, and it also automatically takes those trades. So it's completely autonomous. Here you can see the faucet transaction that just happened to create the wallet. Here you can see the agent wallet. These are the trading advances, Bitcoin. This is a particular sentiment that has been seen. And here's my portfolio summary of that.